All right, hey cartoon friends. So today we're gonna do something super awesome. We're gonna do Kirby, which is gonna be just like a ball shape. I may have it holding like a wand, and we'll kind of go from there. So I'm gonna start with this with the pencil drawing. I'm gonna go back to the way I kind of did things before. So we're gonna keep it loose. Just a circle in the middle of the page. Let's put quite big. So, because Kirby's just like like a kind of a ball shape. So let's start with that. So it's nice and loose. Okay. So I'm not even touching the page right now. I'm just getting my hand kind of going in the motion. So here I go. Circle. Okay. And then a center line coming down. Nice and light. And I'm going to do this on an angle. Okay. This other line. Just like that. Okay. And then the foot over here, nice big foot. Then the back leg. The arm up. Another arm over here, okay? So yeah, I'm drawing quite fast, and that's okay. You can pause it or whatever on the screen. It's just I like to draw fast and loose because I'm changing things as I go. You can see I'm changing the foot a little bit, changing this back leg. So that is the reason why I draw fast, okay? I'm just changing things. Cool. All right, and then I'm going to draw the wand. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw probably the eyes nice and loose here. You can kind of see they're on an angle, right? Like if I draw a line like this and a line like that, you see they're kind of on an angle. And then the mouth, it's very close to the middle of the eyes. And then just open wide, okay? I'm just going to do a light line for the cheeks. I'm probably, going to color those in. I'm not going to color those in with marker. So that's just something to keep in mind. So I'm doing like little ovals just as a guide. I can change it when I clean it up. Okay, so I think I have kind of what I want to, as my final. I'm probably gonna have like, kind of streaks coming out, stuff like that, like in the background. But my main focus is the character. So this was kind of fun, actually. I kind of like drawing Kirby. I guess because it's just a circle and it's very fun. Okay. So that's where we're at in terms of the drawing. So if you want to pause the screen, now's a good time to do it. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to get into cleaning it up. You can use a marker or pencil crayons, but for now I'm just going to use a marker, and then I will erase the underdrawing. Okay. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with maybe this foot, just because it's right here close to me. So let's start. Maybe I'll come from here and then wrap it around and stop, okay? A little thicker at the bottom. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is so yeah, the outside is always the boldest or the thickest outline, and the inside lines are always thinner, okay? So that's something to keep in mind. And even at the bottom of his body, that might even be a little thicker than actually the top. So I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna go a little thicker down here. Okay. And then back the toe here. The arm. Okay, see the star, so thin, thick, thin, thick. I'm kind of rounding everything off, but I mean, it can be sharp if you want, but I'm just rounding it off. And then the eyes, it's up to you if you want to add the highlights first. Cute. Let's see. Now the eyes here. Okay, so let's see. I'm just going to do the outer line first and then the highlights after. So let's see. It's a little oval. Round. And the highlight. Fill that in. And fill this in as well. Okay, remember, don't clean up the cheek, okay, with a black outline. I just think it looks better colored, but that's totally up to you. But and then also the mouth, make sure this is thin, not as thick as these outlines, okay? So a little lighter on the hand. And then wrap it around. And then the tongue and stuff, I'll just color that in. So I think this is a good spot to clean up, to erase the pencil lines. All right, so we're gonna use, I'm just using a kneaded rubber eraser. All the kids in my class seem to want to do this and make little characters out of this stuff, but yeah, it's kind of fun. So we'll just erase it. Nice. I kind of still want to see a little bit of the cheeks, just to kind of say, okay, that's where I'm going to put the cheeks. Okay. And that's where we're at on that. Okay, so color. So we're going to get into color. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Have fun. Bye.